Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have the AWEI T10C wireless earbuds. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the box. So it's just a standard brown cardboard box, and you have an official purchase sticker. And yeah, these retail for less than $20 on AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description like always, so go check that out. It's on sale for another 2 days, so let's get into it. So these have wireless charging. They have some without wireless charging. I went ahead and tested everything out. They are very comfortable, number one, just for starters. But anyways, it comes in this little protective foam here. You get some extra accessories for 20 bucks. This is really good. You get a carrying bag here. You get to strap it up, and then you get to take it wherever you want, which is pretty cool. Nice that they included that. In here you have the charging cables. I did not open this yet, but let's go and open it now. You have a USB type micro USB, sorry, to USB A, which not the best. It's 2020, so it's fine. It comes with wireless charging, so that's just what I'm going to use them for. You have different sizes of earbud tips. You have small and medium, small and large, and then you also have a user manual, which is in Chinese partially, and then most of it is in English. So yeah, good that they included that as well. Let's go and put this to the side real quick, and then we're gonna get into the earbuds themselves. All right, so here are the earbuds. They have a 300 milliamp capacity, rechargeable. They have green LEDs. Not sure if it's different on the non-wireless version, but they have 4 indicator lights that are green. Really nice. They have the logo up here. It says AWEI. It has a little bit of transparency on the top. You can see the lights flashing. Right here you have the micro USB cable and charging. And here are the earbuds. So they look pretty good. Let's take them out. They flash white once they are trying to connect. And then you have little pins here. You have 2 pins on each side. So it has this pretty good magnet. Pretty good magnet. These are really comfortable. I really like them. They have a nice design. Pretty ergonomic. Doesn't look like AirPods, obviously. Not trying to mimic AirPods, but they look really nice. These have touch sensitive controls. You can volume up and down. So this one is the left one. So if you want to lower the volume, just tap and hold on the left side and it'll lower the volume. If you want to raise the volume, tap and hold on the right earbud and it'll raise the volume. You can pause or play music with one tap on the top of the earbud, and you can do that on either sides. You can tap it 3 times to change modes, and then tap it, I believe, 4 times to do a previous call. Right here you have the prongs. It does have a little sticker on it, so when you get it, it won't be charging in the capsule, and then they'll lose battery immediately when you get them. So yeah, they have little prongs here, which it's really nice because you can configure which way these ones go. So as you can see, this one goes this way because it's built that way, and then this way is right here, so you always know which way they go in perfectly. We're going to go ahead and test the wireless charging. So we have the Let's Com wireless charger. We're going to go ahead and plug it in now. We're going to go ahead and show you that this works. So if that light turns blue, that means we have wireless charging on deck. There we go, blue, and there it is, it's charging. Take it off, not charging, turns red. Put it back on, turns blue, wireless charging is acceptable. Alright, so we're going to test out the charging time. It takes about an hour with the micro USB. We're going to see how long it takes on this. We're going to give you an overview after this video, but we're going to go ahead and compare them to other earbuds right now. Alright, so we have them to the Anderson T12s, which are bigger than AirPods. So it's not wide, it's a little bit tall. Let's compare them to the Mozart TWS. It's definitely shorter. It's a little bit smaller in thickness. And yeah, this one right here does not have a magnetic case, but these are my favorite all-time earbuds. I use them every single day. They have active noise cancellation, but they don't sell them anymore. There's only like 5 of these in the entire world, which is really cool. I'm lucky to have it. Here's the AirPod clones. This is what they look like. And let's get those out of here. Let's compare them to the real AirPods. Let me go get mine. So I do have a case on them right now, but they are still pretty good size. Oh shoot. Let's go and show you without the case real quick. So we're not going to take off the top because the top is a little bit hard to take off. But anyways, it's a little bit, yeah, it's bigger than it. The AirPods are still smaller. So yeah, they are very good size compared to other models. Like this one's bigger, this one's bigger, this one is smaller. So for 20 bucks, guys, these are really comfortable. I really recommend it. They last about 3 hours. They have active noise cancellation. They have multiple earbud tips. They are sweat resistant. They have a 300-hour standby time. What else? They have sweat resistance, I believe I said that already. Wireless charging is on deck. Boom. So when I get home from school, once I use these, you just drop it on there, boom, charged. And then when I wake up, just grab it, leave. That's the convenience. That's why I bought these. I contacted the company, but they didn't want to, they didn't really get back. I don't know what's the deal with that. But anyways, I bought them myself and we're able to review those. But they're really nice, guys. I highly recommend you guys get this. This is like really good. You get a carrying case. You get a charging cable. You get extra earbud tips. It's only 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Imagine, like, what other earbuds? These ones are 100, but they don't. These were Bluetooth 4.2. These are Bluetooth 5.0. These were 100. They're extremely rare now. They sound really good. The AirPods are 140-ish now. Originally 160. These ones are like 10 bucks. These ones are like 40 to 50. These ones are nice. They have some nice lights to it. These ones, probably my second favorite. This one being first. This one being second. This one being third. So they're definitely in my top 5. I only have 6. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys didn't like this video. Please like, comment, and of course do subscribe for more. It only takes 5 seconds to do so. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.